Hi, I'm Gugi from Kenya,
Hi, and I'm Ali from England.
and we are both co-founders of Skizaa. And what we're doing is enabling access to quality international education for 667 million people living across sub-Saharan Africa. Now, how are we doing this? For starters, we started with quite an interesting survey where we interacted with almost 600 teachers spanning across different countries and continents. And what we realized quickly is that all of them have a similar problem. One, for them to take attendance, they use a different system. For them to manage student academic data, they use a different system. For them to generate reports for all these things that are happening in the classroom, they use a different system. Now, this is time consuming and really exhausting for the teachers. Now, what we did quickly is we built one ecosystem that has all these functionalities together. And that is one. But two, when we started getting more, when we started testing it with the teachers across sub-Saharan Africa, we quickly realized that one, these teachers do not even have the computers. Two, most of them are not very tech savvy. And three, you find that a teacher has a classroom ratio of 1:150 students. So where do we even start? So one, we really wanted to minimize the amount of time spent on actually taking attendance, which is a daily activity. And what we developed, or we came up with, is a mobile solution, a very simple and intuitive solution that enables teachers to collect student attendance, or rather take roll call, using facial recognition. Now, mind you that we are the first, probably, and this is a huge claim, but we are the first to develop a facial recognition algorithm that purely works for the African faces, because most of them are generally biased, and they do give a lot of false positives. Ms. Buckland.
So thus far, we've been able to raise £40,000 US dollars from our angel round, and from this round we have built our proof of concept, and we've started testing this in schools across Uganda and Kenya, primarily in the rural market. With this 100k that we could get from the Google Accelerator, we think this would be really helpful for us, because we're working in rural markets, we're trying to create a new market, and bringing technology to these spaces comes with a lot of unforeseen challenges, and so having that extra capital would be really helpful for us and give us more runway as we plan our $1 million raise.
We have quite an interesting traction so far. We've been able to close 10 schools in Nepal. In Kenya, we're already making the moves. Today we had a very fruitful meeting with the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, and they're very keen to roll out the entire project with us. And in Uganda, we're already working with Teach for Uganda, an organization. And therefore, three things that I think we